Hey guys, this is Jonathan Lowe at the 2018 30K Challenge. I wanted to go over the other trade I took today on SKX. It was ultimately a $141 loser, but let's go over it anyway. There was actually other opportunities to trade this, and let's just go over it. Before we do that, you can read my disclaimer here. I'll leave it up for a second or two. All right, and let's go to SKX. SKX was on earnings. It was down on mixed news. It beat revenue, missed earnings by one. It actually missed earnings by 1 cent. But the thing that really knocked it down is that it had lower guidance for the second quarter. Average true range is $1.06. 135 million share short float, which is a good amount to short float. We want to do something above probably 60 or 70 million. The spread on the stock is only 3 cents, which is really good. It's nice and tight. I don't like about this is that it's already gone down so much. Usually on earnings, they gap down between 12 and 18%. This is way below, so maybe I'm thinking maybe long is what I am thinking, and that is what I tried to do. Try to trade it long, maybe up to the 200 and then back down. It was not a good idea. But anyway, let's go over it. Let's go to a 1-minute chart, and let's go right to the open here. Let's go to, and I can show you exactly where I got in. I wasn't really confident in this trade, so I only bought 3 contracts, knowing I'd probably risk about 50 cents or so. So 3 contracts at 50 cents is, 300 times 50 is about $150 or so I was willing to put on this. And you can see I got stopped out at 78 cents. So I lost, just about 50 cents. Let's look at the times. Entered at 6:35, exited 5 minutes later. Entered in long as 6:35. So probably somewhere here. And it began to look bad. So at, let's see, what time was that? 6:40, 5 minutes later. Yep. Right there is where I got out. Yep. So, I was hoping that it wouldn't go below pre-market macro pivot. Pre-market low, which is right here. That's the low it went. That's low it went. So it went down, came back up. Maybe look if maybe long, got pushed down, and really, at this point, yeah, it could be going long. It's gone down so far. It's 25%. I was hoping to push back, towards 20%. That is about where I got long at 31.50. I'm looking for maybe $2. If the low is here at 31.13. So, I'm risking, 50 cents to make $1.50. So that's, a 3-to-1 risk versus reward. It's not bad. 9's coming up, and it looks like we've found a sort of a solid bottom, but, as you can tell, that didn't look too bad. After it tried to go up I was up for, a few bucks, but as it started coming back down here, as it closed below there, I need to get out. The next candle opened, and I got out. Immediately after this candle closed, let's see if we can see it a little bit better. Sorry about that. I know you guys can't see it very good. Once this candle was, I needed it to find support here. It hit here, bounced up, opened, went up, hit the 9, started coming back down on the 1 minute chart. I said, that is not good. And I held on for a little bit longer. Once it closed below the pre-market low and it opened below here, I said, I'm out. So I just clicked exit, and then luckily I did, because I would have lost it all. And then it went down. Now, if we know it's going to go short from here, what we could do is look for a retest of the of up here, and maybe possibly get short, maybe at VWAP here. So maybe put order out here, here, and here. Some small orders, and if it breaks back below here, add some size to it. Okay, but if you look at it, it hit here and it started selling off, and it didn't really give us a chance to get back in. Well, actually, I'm sorry, it did give us a great chance to get back in. So comes back up here, hits this on the 1 minute chart. It's very, very fast. Can't get back up to here. Comes back down, and really our entry should be here. Oh, this is, a definite sort of a confirm down. Opens here, goes all the way up here, comes down. I said, man, we should probably be getting short with maybe a stop above here. It opens, starts going down. Man, you got, I would say you have to hit the short button. We would like it to get back up here, but if you can hit the short button really quick here and have your other button, have a button on the stop out, anything above here, above 20, which is a good number, 31.20, 20 is a good number, 80 cents is a good number. You're going to be risking 15 cents to possibly, get down to gap fill down here. So 31.13, you're going to risk 15 cents to make $1. Okay, and then you risk 15 cents on some shares. And if it doesn't, you can quickly stop out here. If it fills you on these orders and then it goes up, you can stop out again, and so you'll lose a little bit up here too, because you may have 3 orders at 25 shares and 50 shares, and then get stopped out up here. You wouldn't lose that much money. And then if you got filled there and it started coming back down, you can add into this and then catch it through here. But let's end up see what happens. I tried to take it long. I didn't take it long. And I just go to a 2-minute chart. Ultimately shows you what happens. And, look what happened. So, so I went long here. I got stopped out here. You had actually a great opportunity to get short right here. So it went down, came back up, retested that level, and went down. And then that was really the trade right there, huh? On the 2-minute chart. Looking at the 5-minute chart, let's look at that. Because on this day trade, we know this stock is going to go somewhere. We don't know where it's going to go, but it's going to go somewhere. So be open, don't be stubborn, like I've been at times, and saying it's got to go one way. Hey, I had an idea to go long. I entered here. I knew my stop was below here. I got out, $150 loss, no big deal. And then, here was your perfect chance. Look at this 5-minute 9 EMA. I always talk about the 5-minute 9 EMA. It goes down. Here's your low of day on that first candle. And, you get one nice retest. That is my trade right there all day long. 9 EMA coming down on a horizontal line, which is legitimate low of day for, just for that point. And, it does not get above it. All right, so right there, and we know it hit here, and it hit here, and it couldn't get above it. So once again, your stop still can be 20 cents. Intraday pivot, 20 cents. You can get short here, You have an 8 cent stop, and this time it just flushed really nicely, even all the way down to 29.71. So 29.71 uh, from 31. So that's over $1, 20 cents, okay, of profit you could have taken. And if you would have managed it, you would have took profit. If you got short here, you could, on a $5,000 account in SureTrader, you could have, took close to 900 shares. You could take out half at 50, so at around 60, let's see, 61-ish, okay? If not there, you would have got stopped, you would have took profit there. It would have came back up. You wouldn't have felt bad because you would have took half off. And on the on the continuation, consolidation, or you could have, got out half down here if you want at, macro pivot, okay? And then, you're going to have a consolidation back up here for about 40, 50 cents. And then you get the continuation and you get another almost at $1. So right here, there would be your dollar. There's 50 cents. Yeah, so you took it at 50 cents. 50 cents here, good here, and then you take it at $1, and now you're holding on to the last quarter, and who cares where you entered? You just you killed it. You made some good money here. All right, if you took 800 shares, you made 50 cents on 400, which is 200. You made another 50 cents on $1 on 100, which would be another $200, and yeah, you're looking great. So anyway, that's the trade on SKX. I just took it here, took a $140 loss, and then I ended up trading Tesla for a good win. All right, hope that helps you see what I'm seeing. And if you like what you're seeing, you want to open up a Tastyworks account, go to Tastyworks, use this referral code so I can get credit. You can learn how to day trade through Ed Martin, a professional trader at Average Joe Trader. And go check out Taylor Horton at FocusTrades.com. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.